Hi, it's Lauren, and I'm back with another product reveal. Today I am featuring the Barely Hanging On stamp set. It's a 4x6 stamp set that features the cutest little stuffed bears. We have four images. The first one is this large image of our cute bear on a clothesline. We also have a patchwork heart and a clothespin, and this cute family of bears on this moon or a hammock. As my daughter pointed out, she thinks it's a hammock. We have 8 different sentiments. Congratulations, hang in there, you got this, barely hanging on. And then we have baby, mama, and papa bear. So let's stamp these out. I'm going to be stamping them on some white cardstock using some black ink. Our first image is our bear on a clothesline, and he measures 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Our next large image is our family of bears on the moon, and this image is 3 1/2 by 2 3/4. We have our patchwork heart, which measures 3 1/4 by 1 3/8, and our little clothespin, which is 1/4 inch by 3/4. Now we're going to stamp our sentiments. We have congratulations, hang in there, you got this, barely hanging on. These are all fun sentiments, especially for new parents. Mama, papa, baby, and bear, which you can couple up with mama, papa, or baby to create very adorable sentiments. Here's all of our images. I'm going to go ahead and color these so you can see what they look like with different mediums. I have my bear on a clothesline, this patchwork heart and clothespin, all colored in alcohol markers. And I colored in this family of bears on the moon in watercolors. I'm going to use this sweet watercolor image on a card. It also features new releases today, partnered with this adorable heart frame in pattern paper. I think that's such a sweet card to give to a new family. All of the links used in this sample are down below, as well as links to Whimsy Stamps Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook group, where we hope you'll join us for more inspiration. Have a great day!